I was sat here just now editing this video of when I was away in Barcelona with American Crew, and I had a moment of editing this and watching this and thought, I've got no idea what's going on. Like seriously, I was like, what was I on when I filmed this? So I thought, if I don't understand, you're not going to understand. So instead, I'm going to edit with you and I can like talk you through actually what's going on, because I had the best time with American Crew. I went across for the American Crew All-Stars Challenge, which essentially is like a huge barber competition worldwide, 16 countries. And I also managed to get my hair cut by the guy that won the UK heat, Sam Wall, which you're going to see. It was a really good trip. So here we go. So in super glam style, I went to Heathrow Airport on this Sunday, got across to Barcelona. It was absolutely pissing it down. I was like, I didn't sign up for this. I wanted heat, but you aren't always guaranteed that. But we went straight off to the Revlon Academy, and that's where I had my hair cut by Sam. Sam kind of worked on my classic cut. You guys all know I'm growing my hair out at the moment. And we had a bit of a chat about the trends and kind of like getting rid of the fade and moving into longer styles. What sort of trends are you seeing? A lot more men. Longer, yeah.
Longer hair coming back in, yeah.
So I'm doing the right thing.
Yeah, I think you're obviously growing it out a little bit longer. We'll taper it out and give you a nice little soft, keep that shape very square.
Yeah. And what's really different about kind of the cut that I've got at the moment is barbers aren't using clippers for my hair, which is a totally different experience. They're using scissors, and that is a totally different technique. You know, they're spending so much time on this, taking away the length, cutting it as Sam did with a point cut, really getting some texture into the top, but also ensuring that the sides are sitting in the right sort of way. Something I found really interesting actually is what Sam did here was, he kept the hair slightly shorter in the back, so it kind of goes a bit like a slope, back to front, and that means that the hair at the back is actually supporting the hair at the front, because you know I always push it right back like this, and that means that it's going to sit in the right sort of way. And then after the cut we move into styling, and actually he used one of my favorite products. I'm going to see if I've got it. Hold that thought. Yes, I do. This American Crew texture foam into towel dried hair, so slightly damp hair, and then Sam worked with a hairdryer to really get that volume in. And then after that he used American Crew defining paste to really, I mean, as the name says, define the hairstyle, and that's exactly what I want. You know, I always find that, you know, with a prep you're working with heat and you're also working with a product to start to build in a shape. And then with a product, it's about really sort of setting that shape, you know, and that's exactly what that did. Okay, and then that was me back at the hotel, literally one of the most beautiful hotels. I'm a very lucky boy when it comes to these trips. This hotel was amazing. It was a really quick turnaround to go out to a white party. Right, really quickly ready. In my hair, I've got American Crew foam, and then I've used forming cream just to really set that style in place. Little curl dropping there, and that's it. Full suit is next. Little t-shirt is from, I think that's Zara, I'll link it. Then the little Gucci shoes, and that's me, ready to go. Right, I need a drink. Good morning. Focus on me, focus. We are on Monday morning. It is just past 7:30. My breakfast has arrived. I have gone for scrambled eggs, which don't look hugely appetizing, half a eaten bit of toast, which was eaten by me, croissants, coffee, all that good stuff. Really failing on the time front. 9 o'clock. I was supposed to be downstairs at 9 o'clock, so I'm going to speed through this. I'm going to show you actually what I'm wearing. Come with me. T-shirt from Massimo Dutti. Shorts are Topman, the Gucci's again. These socks are ASOS. And then I've used some of the forming cream by American Crew. And then again, just hairsprayed. But that is quite literally it. I've got to say, that's one of the biggest regrets I've had, is buying that t-shirt there. It just doesn't suit me. Why did no one tell me? And then I took loads of pictures that day, thinking that I'd get a killer Instagram snap. And I looked wide. I don't think I'm wide. I wouldn't recommend that t-shirt. We actually have some sun now, which is great. I mean, this is what we ordered. Oh, Louise, hi. Do you wanna Louise thought I was chatting to her, and I'm chatting to you guys. See you there. But this is Louise, everyone. Yeah. I do feel like I did spend half my life on this bus, but this was us going to the conference centre, which is where they had the American Crew All-Star Challenge. I always feel like such a troll when I go backstage at places and you've got these gorgeous models with amazing hair and I'm just, oh sorry, excuse me. But it was cool to kind of see, that's what I really like going backstage. You get to see how the stylists and the barbers are working with product, you get to see kind of what they're doing, and you get to see it from, you know, the start. These models come in obviously looking amazing because they are models, but then they leave looking even better and super styled. And then back on the bus, obviously, back to the hotel to get ready. And this was another fashion mistake that I made on this trip. So when you're going to a hot country, well, hotter than the UK, obviously, you need to pack things that are light. No, I packed a turtleneck. Okay, right, that is me ready. I do feel like I'm gonna sweat in this outfit. I wore this because I thought it would be cooler in the evening, but we're going out so early. Let me show you what I'm wearing. Spin for you. I'm wearing this little turtleneck, Foolish in Barcelona, from Zara. I've got a full neck suit. I've got to decide if I want to put on the blazer. I'm undecided. Remus Umo shoes, little brown shoes. And then in my hair, spin you around here, I have used the American Crew defining paste. I wanted something that was a little bit more sort of formal. So this one, defining paste, just to put in that part, give it a really light shine, just to hold it in, and that really is it. And I've just used all the same stuff on my skin. This is the, yes, I'm late. Right, I'm really regretting this decision of what I've worn. Turtleneck shoe, it's freezing in Barcelona. Absolutely freezing. I was amazed at this whole event. I mean, I don't know what I was expecting, but I didn't think it was gonna be like as big as it was. Oh my God. And then on to our final day, and this is literally when it kind of twigged to me to start dressing for the weather. Only took me a full 2 days. Okay, this is me now going out. Very creased. What have we got? Uniqlo linen shirt. This is really creased. Topman jeans with this sort of dual stripe effect. Vertical stripes. Gucci trainers, which I'm living in. Then the hair again. That's it. Right, I need to go. This is where the vlog started making sense. Yeah, started making sense at the very end. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let Barcelona Robin finish this one for you. Okay? Right, I've got my case and I'm gonna sign off. Desperate for a sort of Aperol spritz. I mean, not very Spanish, maybe a Rioja. But if you've enjoyed this, then let me know. Maybe I can do sort of more dedicated vlogs. I never do these, but if you did enjoy it, then let me know. Also, if you're new to this channel, you've not yet pressed subscribe, then press subscribe. The button is just up there, right there. Also, there's more video suggestions down there. Stay with me and watch them. That's my blog, it's there. Podcast, Instagram is right there. But I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.